is 2015, the limited edition Chanel newspaper print. So it's hard to show it on camera, but it has these lovely gold flecks all over it. It's deliberately has that like distressed print. It's supposed to look like a newspaper print. Double flap, gold hardware. Inside is like this gorgeous, like it's like a beigey taupe, I think would be the best way to describe it. It's in very, 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 very good pre-owned condition. Here is the interior. Let me show you. So you've got inner pockets, you've got the outer pocket and the back pocket. You only do me a favour, will you read that serial number out for me again? Yeah. Or 210 was 210? 210. Right. And it'll come in the dust bag. 210 453 89. Code for those